Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be unboxing some wheel well covers for the RAM ProMaster from legendfleet Solutions. Let's get into it. All right, this is a wheel well cover kit for the RAM ProMaster. You're going to get 2 of them in this box. This is from Legend. This is going to be for the interior of the van, so if you're thinking of something that protects the wheel well in the exterior of the van, this is a different product than that. This is for the interior of the van. And as I pull these out, you're gonna notice you get 2 of these covers, 1 and 2. They're a plastic. And on the inside, we have this layer of insulation. So if you're familiar with Legend, they have the Duratherm wall ceiling door liners, and on the back of those liners they have a layer of insulation, which is basically this right here. So we have a layer of foil, then there's some insulation material behind it, this black part here you can see. And so not only do these cover and protect the wheel wells in the van, they also insulate it to help cut down on noise, temperature control, and things like that. You can see that they have these pre-drilled holes here on the side for where they line up with holes that are in the van, so you can attach these with ease to the van. Now, one thing I think I missed as I opened this was the actual hardware. And the hardware you need to attach these is included. It's just these little black plastic push-in clips. These little Christmas tree kind of clips right here. You get all of them that you need to attach these wheel well covers. Now, if you are installing wall liners with these, you're going to install the wheel well cover first, then the wall liners actually go over top, and then there's one push pin that goes through these holes to secure the wall liner and this wheel well cover. Now, these are side specific, so kind of embossed or engraved in the side here. This is driver, and over on this side it does say pass for passenger, so these are side specific. Sometimes I think on the Sprinter you can use it on either side, but for our particular vehicle, it just depends on the vehicle. They are side specific. You can see there is a little bit of a Legend logo right here. I think that they are redesigning these. Legend, they just came out with a new logo. It's kind of like a badge, and so this may look different on some of these wheel well covers that you do receive. So just take that into consideration if you're looking at purchasing these. So just real quick, I want to take a measurement here on the thickness of this plastic so you get an idea what kind of protection you're getting. I'm gonna leave this in millimeters because it is quite thin. We are at 2.17 millimeters thick of plastic, and then our insulation material here on the bottom, we've got about 2.75 millimeters of insulation here on the back. Now, we get this question a lot of, can I stuff additional insulation behind here in between the wheel well and this? Question, usually yes. We're gonna install these in the back of this RAM ProMaster behind me, so when we get to that installation, I'll have more information to tell you exactly how much room you have for additional insulation between this and the wheel well. So make sure you watch that video if you're looking at purchases as well, and that is of concern to you. So if you are looking for these wheel well covers or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it is work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.